Welcome homeowners to HydroHelp 911. Today we have an important topic to discuss: fixing a cracked basement wall from the inside. Cracks in your foundation can be a cause for concern, but don't worry. With the right guidance and a little effort, you can address the issue and ensure that the stability of your basement. So let's get started. The first step is to assess the severity of the crack. Is it a hairline crack or a larger one? Hairline cracks are usually superficial and can be addressed with simpler methods. However, if you notice wider cracks or signs of structural damage, it's important to consult a professional before proceeding with the repair. Once you've assessed the crack, gather the necessary tools and materials. For fixing the crack using carbon fiber straps, you'll need a chisel, a hammer, a wire brush, vacuum, the adhesive that comes with the kit, and the carbon fiber straps with a putty knife and a roller. These items can be found at your local hardware store or online. Before starting any repairs, ensure that the area around the crack is clean and free of loose debris. Use a wire brush or vacuum to remove any loose materials or dust from the crack and its surrounding areas. This will allow the adhesive to bond effectively with the wall. Now it's time to apply the adhesive and the carbon fiber straps. Apply a generous amount of adhesive and primer to the crack and the surrounding area using a putty knife and/or a paint roller. Ensure that it covers the entire surface as well as the surrounding areas. Then, replace the carbon fiber straps over the adhesive, pressing them firmly against the wall. Smooth out any air bubbles or wrinkles using a roller, making sure that the straps are securely bonded to the wall. Depending on the severity of the crack, you may need to apply additional layers of adhesive or carbon fiber straps. Repeat the process by applying more adhesive over the first layer of carbon fiber straps and adding subsequent layers as needed. This will provide extra reinforcement and strength to your cracked wall. Once the adhesive is cured, remove any excess material from the wall using a chisel, scraper, or a grinder. Smooth out the surface to match the surrounding wall texture. You may also consider applying a waterproof sealant or paint to provide an additional layer of protection against moisture. And we want to mention that is moisture, not water. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips to keep in mind. If you're unsure about the severity of the crack or feel uncomfortable with this repair process, it's always best to consult a professional. Additionally, regularly inspect your basement for any new cracks or signs of damage to catch them early and prevent further issues. And lastly, don't forget to address the cause of the cracks. The carbon fiber will help strengthen the damaged wall, but the cause of the problem still needs to be fixed. Congratulations, you've now successfully learned how to fix a cracked basement wall from the inside using carbon fiber straps. Remember, maintaining a solid foundation is crucial for the structural integrity of your home. By following these steps and addressing cracks promptly, you'll ensure a safe and stable home. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time with more useful tips.